How to create BlaBla.com account. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can create BlaBla.com account. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in, is to open your device and then ensure that you have installed the BlaBlaCar application. Once you have it installed, just go ahead and launch the app by clicking on it. So once you click on the app, you'll be brought to the app's interface where you would see the address telling you that your pickup drives are at low prices. And then you see two options, sign up and then log in. But since you're trying to create an account, you'd click on sign up. Then after clicking on sign up, you'll be redirected to another page asking you how you would like to sign up. If you want to sign up using Facebook or email. So for me, I would select email. Then you can now type out the email address that you would like to sign up with. And then you click on the arrow. And then next step is to type out your name. After typing out your name, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to type out your date of birth. Alright, so you can just go ahead with that. Then click on the arrow. And then the next step is to select your title. And then the next step is to type out and you have to type out a password. Alright. Okay, 125. Then you click on the arrow once again. Then type out another password. Then after inputting your password, currently the email I'm using has been used by another BlaBlaCar account, so I can't proceed from here. But after inputting your password, you'll be asked to verify if you're not a robot. Ensure you verify, and then after verifying, your account will be created automatically. Alright, that's how you can go about it. That is how you can create a BlaBlaCar account. It is very simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.